What's up? So today I made a 66-cent profit on RWLK. Um, I did not see the news from today because it just came up like this. Because when I went into the chat room, people were like, oh, there's warrants on RWLK because this happened. And I was like, how do you know? And they were like, oh, I just looked at the news on Stocks to Trade. So I just clicked today and then I saw that it came up. So it says, um, Robotics today announced the agreement by several accredited investors of its ordinary share purchase warrants to exercise and purchase 1,446,665 of its ordinary shares at an exercise price of $7.50 per share. I don't understand what this means aside from the fact that there are warrants, which means that a company allows other people, I think, to buy its shares at a lower price and then exercise them starting here. That's what I think I understand because if you bought something at 750, like when it's in the tens, it makes sense for you to want to sell it off. That's my guess. Um, so this is a low float. It rotated its share count 3 times. I was here in the pre-market time watching, like right around here. I saw that it was a top percent gainer. I narrowed my stuff down based on float. This one's a new one. And I picked CEI, which pretty much did nothing. I did RWLK and one more, and I did alt because alt has like a 8 million float. But the volume's bad on alt. Let's see what the volume was like on CEI. Rotated once. But RWLK was the place to be because it's low float, has it had these 2 pieces of news from yesterday, which is that it's an FDA like play, clearing play, or like a new invention or a new thingamajig, you know. Um, and I actually watched this one on the 1 minute chart because I realized that I missed my entry previously. So I was waiting for a bottom to declare itself. I actually almost got in here. No, or was it? I think it was here. Yeah, and it went up to like 860 or something, or 830. And then I decided to get in here because it's a higher low than this guy. So I got in here at 8.1995, so 820 basically. And I got out here at 886. There was still some possibility in the 920s and even the 940s if I would have waited for consolidation, but it's harder for me to see on the what's it called, the 1 minute chart. On the 5 minute chart, it's very clear that this is a lower high, lower high, lower high. It kind of bottoms here, lower high, push past VWAP, and then 950, you know. So I think my entry has to be on the 1 minute chart and my exit should be on the 5 minute chart, something like that. Because let's see what time this was actually. This was like 9:52. 9:52. Yeah, so right around here, but for me to actually go through all this consolidation period and these dips and stuff, I don't know if I would have held through unless I made like a little marker. But once I make a line over a high, I like the stock to consolidate above it. This kind of scares me out. But these were all at the same level. So something to keep in mind, which is actually the top of this guy. So maybe I would have been able to hold it all the way through, but you know what? I had 40 cents, I had 50 cents, and now I have 66 cents. So I am trending profitable and I'm trending upwards. And what I noticed in my previous trades is that I need to focus on the most volatile stocks, the ones that are moving. And even though this is a NASDAQ play, even though it has offerings in it, for whatever reason, I was just able to nail it. Like, I'm just like, today I was like, before I sat down, I was like, will I make a profitable trade? Like, what if the trend just changes? What if I really don't know what I'm doing? What if it's all just by chance? But it's not. It's really not. I don't think that it is. So super happy about that. Um, I'm gonna walk around dreaming of my black Lambo with the license plate B4DB1TCH for bad bitch. But I don't know if it's taken or not. Can you imagine me just rolling up and stepping out of a black Lambo? I don't even know how to drive. So, yeah, but that's what I want. And with like sunglasses, you know, you step out, you lift the sunglasses and you wave. Yeah, that'd be so cool. But I would have to get a driver because, like, maybe I'll go into driving stories, but driving just scares me. But you know what? It's just like trading. Things that are scary are just like trading. Like, you have to be able to set like a proverbial risk for yourself, you know, like to protect yourself if things go wrong, like do defensive driving, yada, yada, yada. Okay, back to stocks. So the stuff that I set for my watch list yesterday, BAS, BAS, let's take a look at it. It went nowhere. WORX, it went nowhere. So literally, I like just sitting down, looking at the top percent gainers, seeing what's moving, and then jumping into the riskiest plays I can. Um, so yeah, but cool, right? So cool. Makes me feel good. And that's all for now. I have my next day trade is going to be Friday. Um, and yeah, if you want to look at the trade exactly like verified, you could go on profit.ly. You could search my name, and my whole like blog thing will come up with all my trades. You can see my profit chart and everything. Okay, so that's all for now. Bye.